4. 1 into 4, this is multiplication. 4 minus 1 is 3, addition. What is the factorization here for the formula? First you will have to write brackets, parenthesis, x and x. Here what is sign? Minus sign is there in the second place. Minus greater one is factorization, greater one is 4. X minus 4, x plus 1. Then we get and what is that? Zeros. Zeros are x is equal to 4 minus 1. 4 and minus 1. Here you will have to draw a rough graph. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here what do you need? Here 0, 0, minus 1, minus 2. What is there? Minus 1 is there on the x-axis. So you will have to draw this minus 1 up to where? Y is minus 4. Y is equal to minus 4. X is equal to what? Minus 1. And minus 1 and 4. You will have to draw this figure in that way on the 4. This is the rough graph. What is there? Minus 1, y 0. Here point. Here plus 4 and 0. Y is 0. Here this point is minus 4. In the equation it is there minus 4. You will have to draw in this way. What is this? This is called parabol. Parabol means if the leading coefficient is 1 plus 1. That's why it is a graph of A is greater than 1. A is greater than means graph upward. A is greater than means graph upward. A is less than 1 is equal to downward. You will have to remember these 3 points for drawing a neat diagram. First you will have to make a TOP, table of ordered pair. For that you will have to take the equation. What is the equation? Y is equal to x square minus 3x minus 4. You will have to take from minus 4 to plus 4 for triangle polynomial graph. Y is equal to, suppose x is 4 square minus 3 into 4 minus 4. What is that? 4 4s are 16 minus 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4. In this graph, you will have to that TOP, table of ordered pairs. For that, you will have to that a table of x and y. Above you will have to draw x, below you will have to draw y. Suppose what you have taken? Plus 4. But you will have to take minus 4 also. 16 minus 4 minus 4. Minus 12 minus 4 is equal to 16. Then y is equal to 0. Here we will have to draw x above and y below. And you will have to take minus 4, minus 3 in that way. Minus 4, minus 3 in that way for making a table of ordered pairs. What is this? Top. TOP top. Table of ordered pairs. Minus 4 is equal to what is that? X is here. Here minus 4. If you take minus 4, y is equal to minus 4. Y is equal to minus 4. 3 into minus 4. 3 into minus 4 minus 4. What is this? 4 4s are 16 minus minus plus 12 minus 4. 15 minus 12. What is this? Here minus into minus plus minus 4. What you have? 16 minus 4. How much? How much is 16? 12. 16 plus 12. How much? 16 plus 12. 16 plus 12. Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. In this way, you will have to take the T of per x-axis. Y minus 4 is equal to how much? How much? Y-axis 24. And plus 4 is equal to how much? Plus 4 is equal to 0. This is 0. Next to y, will have to take y is equal to 3, minus 3. Minus 3 whole square minus 3 into minus 3 minus 4. How much? What we get from this equation? 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 9 minus 9 minus 4. It is 4. For this minus 3 is equal to 4. Next to minus 2. Minus 2 whole square minus 2 whole square. 2 into minus 3 minus 4. How much? 2 2s are 4 minus 4 plus 6 minus 4. How much? 6 answer. For this 6. Next to 1. Y is equal to minus. Y is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 whole square. 2 into minus 1 minus 4 is equal to 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 2 minus 4 is equal to 3 minus 4 minus 1 is the answer. Minus 1 is the answer. For minus 1 come. Is it true or not false? Next start. If you take 0 in the x-axis, 0 over 2 minus 2 into 0 minus 4. Y-axis is equal to minus 4. Y-axis is equal to minus 4. If you take 1 in place of x, 1 square minus 2 into 1 minus 4 is equal to 1 minus 2 minus 4 is equal to minus 6 total. From the minus 6, if you subtract 1, you get to minus 5. Minus 5. Then if you take 2 in place of x, 2 square minus 2 into 2 minus 4. What do you get to? 4 minus 4 minus 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4 minus 4. 4 cancel. You will get to minus 4. And again y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3. What you get to? 3 square minus 2 into 3 minus 4 is equal to 0. What is this? 9 minus 6 minus 4. Out of 10, subtract 9, you get to minus 1. Here minus 1. Here what you have?